Hey Facebook family, it is the one and only Lucy B in the house with Irene Vance. Say hello, Irene. Girl, let us tell them what we did today.
We worked it out.
What?
Worked it out. Sweat upon sweat.
Oh my God, for 2.75 hours,
Yes,
people.
yes.
Right? So, Slurry, you're telling me you can't do it for 2.5, 3 hours? Yes, you can.
Yes, you can.
Yes, you can. What did we do, Irene? Come on.
Burned the fat. That's what we
Girl,
did.
we have burned it out. We did single rope,
Yep. Double step.
double step, boy, and then we did double Dutch. Yeah.
To the beat.
To the
with
beat.
the turns. In the rope.
Holla,
Worked it
holla,
out.
holla. Exactly. So if you want a fabulous workout, you know where to come. Irene, tell
Without a
them.
doubt, and I'm a dancer, and so hey, I'm telling you, you will get a fabulous, phenomenal, sweat it all out workout.
And I'm not even trying to be like, conceited and everything, but I'ma just try to
Go
you know
up
what I'm
and
saying?
work it out.